welcome back to North Coast Garage. On this episode, it's not automotive related this time, but we're going to be doing some routine maintenance on this central AC unit. So basically, you just got to take this apart with these right here. There's one here. It's a 1/4-inch screw. Spray this foaming cleaner on the coils and the fins inside as they get all dusty. It makes it less efficient. So you just spray that on and let it sit for a couple minutes and rinse it off. That's all you got to do. And on this unit, this is a fairly new unit, and it has a emergency shut off there for the power. Now on older units, you'll have to turn it off probably at the breaker on your electrical panel. But for this one, it's fairly new. Now I've never cleaned this, and I've been here for about 5 years now, and I've never cleaned it. So let's see how it looks inside when we get to the part. So to shut the emergency power off, just follow. That's all you gotta do. Now there's no power going to the unit, and you're ready to start working on it. Make sure to drop the screws and so you can't find them. Now this just tilts out of the way. Let it sit there. Yeah, I'd say it needs to be cleaned. It's pretty bad. Very, very, very bad actually. Oh man. I'll get you in to see this. Look at the dust caked on there. That is really bad. I should have done this years ago. And then what you should do is get a shop vac and clean up all inside of there as well. Wow, this is dirty. This was a fairly new unit when I moved in, and I've been living here for about 5 years, going on 5 years, and I have never done this. So, wow. Okay, let me get some stuff ready here. So I got the outside panels off, they just popped out. But look at this. That is really bad. This is gonna make this run so much more efficient than what it has been. Well, first thing I'm gonna do is get the vacuum out and suck up all the little wood chips and whatever else is in there. Push very gently. You want to end the fins, the cooling fins. I'm going very gentle on this as to know I don't want to bend any of the cooling fins. And normally you would just use the cleaner and a hose, but because this was so thick and caked on, I wanted to vacuum it first and then use the cleaner and hose after. Okay, so our next step might, what does it say on the can? So I got this from Canadian Tire. Any local hardware store will have something similar to this. All you do is you spray it on. And it foams up.
Who's foaming it? Foaming it, clean that? This is really good.
Doesn't smell good at all.
Ew. It's like poop.
I'm gonna load this up because it's really bad. I bought an extra can just in case, but
What's that smell? That.
it's cleaner, honey.
Clean it.
For the air conditioner.
That's good. Now what's this thing? How did he feel that? I will hold him, you. I will hold him, you, Dad. I will hold him, you, Dad.
Well, actually cleaning the garage, right?
How you get
Did you
lost?
finish cleaning the table?
Yeah.
You want to keep going on it? It's Henry's birthday today, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Are you 6 years old? Cake's not brewed. We haven't had cake yet. This is going to make it work a lot easier, Henry. When it gets really hot.
You hot?
Do the inside as well. Okay, stay over here. I think you're basically going to use 1 can per AC unit. Depending on how thick you put it on. over it one more time.
Fine.
That's pretty much it for this can. So it's called foaming cleaner. Spray AC compressor or window AC.
You don't know to do that.
There you go. That's the can. It was $12.99 at Canadian Tire, and you use about 1 can per AC unit. Now we gotta wait a few minutes and rinse it off with the hose. Close-up view. You can see it's kind of liquefying all the dirt. I vacuumed the outside because just because it was so bad. Got a leaking hose. So we'll leave that for, I don't know, 3-5 minutes, I think it says on the can, or 5-10 minutes. And come here. And you think you're right. Alright guys, it's all back together now. It didn't take too long. I'll let it dry for a little bit and then I'll turn it back on. There it is. It's back on and running. Looks like everything worked out good. Should really help with the efficiency. Might even see some lower power bills from it too. Well, that'll do it for this episode. A little something different. Hopefully you liked it. If anything, it'll make you want to go check your AC unit and see how bad it is, because this will certainly help with the cooling and the efficiency of it. We'll see you guys later.